Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Transit Wagon. The Ford Transit Wagon offers a wide variety of flexibility, regardless of whether you're trying to haul a large number of passengers or you simply need the space for work purposes. This vehicle is the meaning of versatility. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock brakes, driver airbag, air conditioning, cruise control, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Come take a test drive today.